In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade crypto with leverage on Binance, step by step, in the simplest way possible. If you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything, from opening the futures section to placing your first trade. Just follow along carefully. First, open your Binance app or website and make sure you're logged in. On the app, tap the Futures tab at the bottom. On desktop, click Derivatives and then USDT-M Futures. This is where all leverage trading happens on Binance. Before you trade, Binance may ask you to complete a short quiz. Just answer the questions. It's required before you can use leverage. Now, you need to transfer funds into your futures wallet. Tap the Transfer button, choose USDT or whichever stablecoin you want to use, select Futures Wallet, and enter the amount. Only the balance in this wallet can be used for leverage trades. Once the funds are inside, you're ready to open a position. Next, choose the crypto pair you want to trade, like BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT. Now you'll see the leverage slider. This allows you to choose how much leverage you want. For example, 5x, 10x, 20x, and so on. The higher the leverage, the higher the risk. If you choose 10x, it means every $1 becomes $10 in trading power. For beginners, keep leverage low to avoid quick liquidation. Below that, select your margin mode. You'll see Cross and Isolated. Cross uses your entire futures balance to protect your position, while Isolated only uses the amount assigned to that trade. For safety, most people start with Isolated so losses stay limited to that position. Now, choose whether you want to long or short. If you think the price will go up, you press long. If you think the price will go down, you press short. Leverage works both ways. It increases profit, but also increases losses. Before opening the trade, you need to choose your order type. Market order opens instantly at the current price. Limit order lets you place a trade at the price you want, and it will trigger when the market reaches that level. For beginners, market is the simplest way to understand how the trade works. Enter the amount of USDT you want to use for the trade, double-check the leverage, and press long or short. Your position will appear at the bottom of the screen with real-time profit and loss. Green means profit, red means loss. You can close the trade anytime by pressing Close Position. You should also set Stop Loss and Take Profit to manage risk. Tap your open position, choose TP/SL, and enter the price where you want to take profit and the price where you want to limit your loss. Once you confirm, Binance will close the trade automatically when those levels are hit, even if you're not online. If the market moves fast and your loss reaches the liquidation level, Binance will automatically close your position. That's why controlling leverage is important. The higher the leverage, the closer your liquidation price becomes. When you're done trading, you can transfer your remaining funds back to your spot wallet the same way you move them in. That's the simple step-by-step method. Move funds to futures, choose your pair, set leverage, pick market or limit, go long or short, set your stop loss and take profit, and close the trade when you're ready. Follow these steps and you'll understand exactly how leverage trading works on Binance.